Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is my favorite time of the year. It's Christmas in July, and you know I love Christmas. And we're doing a collaboration called Vintage Christmas in July, or just Christmas in July. It doesn't really matter. And our hosts are Deborah Cabasas Home Living, myself, Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget, Styling with Gigi Fashion, Home Designs by Maryland, Carolyn Reams 13, Barbie Daly's Rule Life in the Valley, All Things Decorating on a Budget, Buffalo Check Chicks, and the Prather Lifestyle. Please check out the playlist and all the amazing creators, and I hope you enjoy wonderful inspiration for Christmas, because I'm looking for inspiration myself. Okay, here is our vintage Christmas. We're going to start out with paid $1 for our plates at the Goodwill. The charger is from Hobby Lobby. Placemat I've had a long time. Amazon a long time ago for the silverware. Tablecloth is Amazon. Goodwill for the teapot and for the little Christmas tree. Not Amazon, I mean Goodwill for the teapot, Christmas tree, doily, and clear cake stand. I also found the table runner at the Goodwill. So almost the whole thing is thrifted. I did get these at home, and I've had them for years. Tell me what you think. Oh, and this I think was Walmart about 6 years ago. Tell me what you think. Here's our other Goodwill plate. The set does not have any matches. They're all different snowmen. So which snowman do you like? I always like the ones with the top hat, but this one's cute too. Our napkin was after Christmas, and this was Temu.